One of the most exciting days in recent memory in Garfield Heights City Schools will take place on Friday, March 15th at 11 o'clock a.m. at the high school stadium complex, when representatives from the Cleveland Browns and the Haslam and Johnson families will join district officials to break ground on a new turf field. Hello Bulldogs, yes, you heard this correctly. Our special partnership with the Cleveland Browns is going to transform our school family and this community for the next generation, as the generosity led by the ownership families Haslam and Johnson is bringing a fully funded new turf field to Garfield Heights. You are invited to join us at 11 o'clock a.m. on the field of the stadium to listen to remarks from Cleveland Browns and from student athletes whose co-curricular lives will be positively impacted for years to come. Rain or shine, we plan to host this groundbreaking ceremony at Garfield Heights High School. Please join us and let's extend our gratitude to the Cleveland Browns, led by the Haslam and Johnson families, for a morning of excitement and anticipation. Go Bulldogs!